welcome back to our channel. One step on today's video, I'm going to show you how to change aspect ratio using Canva. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Canva app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in. Once you sign in, on the bottom of your screen, you can see there's Home, Projects, plus sign, templates and pro. Tap on the plus sign and there's a custom size option right below search bar. There you can see there are options like px, inch, millimeter, centimeter, etc. I'm gonna put in inch. There, give your custom height. I'm gonna do 10 by 10, which is practically a square. You can lock it and tap on create new design. In the same way, you can change it by going back and tapping on that plus sign and customizing your preferred aspect ratio. And guys, that's it. That's how you change your aspect ratio in Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.